In front of me is DORO 8100, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on microphone icon at the top right corner. If it's not visible, just like in my case, select this gear one. Tap on voice typing and use the switcher to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on No Visible Microphone. If you never used it before, hit while using the app and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!